Day by day, video content creation is getting popular and people are searching for budget-friendly video making gears. And today I have a budget-friendly wireless microphone which is Ulanzi A100. So how does that microphone sound? Let's find it out. Well, the price of this microphone on Ulanzi's official store is $35, but you can buy this microphone in a cheaper price. If you buy it from AliExpress, you can get it under $30. So we're going to talk about a $30 microphone. First, let's unbox this microphone and see what we'll get. So you'll get the microphone in a card box. If I just open that, you'll get a documentation, and then we'll get a microphone charging case, and lastly we'll get a type A to type C cable to charge the charging case. So I'll not keep you waiting just to listen to the audio. Currently you are hearing using Ulanzi A100 microphone. I have connected this microphone with my camera. So here is the charging case, and in this case we'll get two different windshield. We'll get two magnet to connect the microphone with our t-shirts. We'll get two transmitter, one receiver, and one TRS adapter to connect the receiver with camera. The receiver itself is well designed, compact, and connects via USB-C port with your smartphone. And if you want to connect the receiver with your camera, then you need to just disconnect the Type-C connector and connect the TRS connector with the receiver. Then you can plug it to your camera using the TRS port. I really like the modular receiver design. So you don't need to carry separate cable to connect with your camera, or you don't need to carry two different receiver for smartphone and cameras. But one thing that you should note, that is, you will not get a lightning connector with this set. So if you are someone who use a older iPhone, then you might need to check out different microphone. This one is not for you. Let's talk about the case. In the backside we'll get a Type-C port. This port will be used to recharge the case, and in the front side you will get LED indicator. So whenever you are just placing the transmitter, then it will indicate the charge level of the case, and again you will see transmitter is charging via the charging case. So the transmitter will run for about 5 hours in a single charge, and the receiver will run about 4 hours. And again, if you're using this case, you can recharge the transmitter and receiver twice. And when you are recharging the case or individual transmitter or receiver, it will take about 1.5 hours. So the microphone of this transmitter use a omnidirectional capsule, and the frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and the audio quality is 16-bit 32 kHz. It records mono audio, I mean single channel audio, and no internal recording. So if I talk about the build quality, yeah, it's decent considering the price of this microphone, but a company like Ulanzi, I would expect a better quality build. It feels like a generic microphone from a random Chinese company. That's it. The microphone doesn't have any fancy feature like adjusting the gain or engaging a low cut filter or even enabling safety track. It is pretty simple. You will have a single button in the right side of this microphone, and that button will turn on the microphone if you just press and hold that button. And once you are using the microphone, you'll see there is a green LED indicator. That means the microphone is connected with the receiver. It is not blinking, so it is connected. Again, if you press the button here, the power button, it will enable the noise reduction feature. So I don't have any noise in this room. I'll just turn on my ceiling fan in this room and see how does it reduce the ceiling fan noise. So now I have turned on my studio ceiling fan, and you can hear the ceiling fan noise, right? So if I press the button once, it will enable the noise reduction feature. You can see the color of the LED indicator turns into blue color, so that you know the noise reduction feature is enabled. So it has 3-level noise reduction. This is the first level. If I press it again, this is the second level noise reduction feature, and if I press it again, this is the hardest, I mean third level noise reduction feature, and it's enabled. So if you have moderate noise level where you are living, then you can definitely use the noise reduction feature. If I just press that button again, it will disable the noise reduction feature, and you can clearly hear the ceiling fan noise. Okay, let's not make the video longer. Let's go outside and see how does that perform in outdoor condition, because I think most of the user will use this wireless microphone in outdoor condition. Now I am just speaking using this Ulanzi A100 microphone, and there is a highway just beside of my house, so you can hear the roadside noise also, right? And there is a little breeze, so I'm using the windshield that come along with the microphone set, so you can just get an idea how this windshield works. And if I just enable the noise reduction feature, how does that noise reduction feature works in this other condition. I have enabled it and I have used the strength 1, I mean the level 1 noise reduction. So that's it. Again, if I press it, this is the second level noise reduction, and again if I just press it, so that is the highest level of noise reduction that this microphone can do. So that's it. If I just press it again, the noise reduction feature is disabled. So that's it for the outdoor test. I think you have got an idea how this microphone perform in outdoor condition. Now the time to test the range. So I don't have that much space here. If I go at the end of this section, then it's almost about 10 meters and I am almost 3 meters away from the camera. This microphone can transmit from 10 to 15 meters, so it's a good range for a budget friendly microphone. And I think it's okay if you're using this microphone, you don't need more than that range. Usually when you are recording the video, 10 meters is good enough. So if I just walk back like that, so now I am almost 10 meters away from the camera, so I think you can hear me clearly. Okay, let's wrap it up and discuss about the pros and cons. I will start with the pros. The first pro is this is a very affordable microphone. So if you're someone who just started making videos and you don't have enough money to spend for video production, then you can definitely select this microphone for your first couple of videos. The second one is it's plug and play, very easy to operate for beginners. You can just plug this microphone receiver into a mobile phone and it's ready to record your video. The third one is long battery life. You can use this microphone for extensive period of time. So if you go outside for a day long shoot, then you can definitely rely on this microphone. It will not die. The design is great, very compact, and you'll get all the necessary accessories with this microphone. So that is where the pros ends. Now let's talk about the cons. The first one is you will not have any gain control knob or button with this microphone, so you have to rely on your smartphone or on your camera. Again, what I have said, that is the build quality feels cheap, it's not up to the mark. And lastly, it uses a 16-bit audio system, so it's 2025, right? So people are talking about 32-bit float and you are not even getting 24-bit audio, you are just getting 16-bit audio. So that is a huge downgrade. You will not get crisp 24-bit audio, you're just getting 16-bit audio. Again, you are not getting any internal recording, or you cannot connect any lavalier microphone with that. So for a $30 microphone, I think I'm asking for a lot, but at least 24-bit audio and a feature that can control how I want to record. If I want to record mono track, so I'll just press a button, it will enable the mono track, or I can distribute the track on different channels. So that's it. So that feature is missing. So I would love to see another version of this mic with those features. So that's all for this microphone. But if you consider the price, that is $30, I think it's a great mic for someone who just started making videos, or if you're searching for the first microphone, you can definitely check this microphone. But if you have the budget, you can, yes, definitely spend more money to get a better microphone. For $30, I think it's a great choice. That is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, want to learn video editing or want to learn about different camera and camera gear accessories, then definitely you can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.